guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're not. Thank you so much for joining me again today. It means so much to me. Today, y'all, as you can see, again, by the title, I have another haul for you. I told y'all that we're going to be back to back. I have a lot of hauls coming up, a lot of reviews, unboxings. Y'all got to stay tuned. Y'all got to subscribe. Y'all got to turn on that notification bell so you never miss out. Give a like, give it a comment, do all the things if you don't want to miss out. Yes, today is another haul. Review almost, because I've never tried this company before. This company is Cheek Boss. Yes, Cheek Boss. Like your backside. Yes, ma'am. So, I don't know about y'all's algorithm, but my algorithm was pushing this brand, pushing this company, ad after ad. And I was like, you know what? After a while, I gotta try it. I clicked on it, I did a little bit of digging, and what I found is that this is a underwear subscription brand. Basically, it's underwear, seamless underwear, geared towards plus size women. By us, for us. It's by a plus size woman. The creator, the founder, her name is Cheetah. She is plus size, beautiful woman. And this brand is basically geared towards us. And so you know I had to get it. Of course, they have smaller sizes as well. Basically, it's the underwear for every booty. Every body, every booty. Pretty much. And I was like, y'all, I gotta try it. And I gotta tell the girls. I have to tell the girls. So, I tried it. And after y'all see this video, I think y'all might want to try it too. So if you're interested in watching this, then definitely give it a like, leave me a comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned because here we go. All right, y'all. So just a little update. I wear a traditional 3X. I am a 22, 24, sometimes 26. And I'm 5'4". I know. Giant. Just call me a stallion. Oh, I'm a 56, 53, 65. So, hope that helps. Basically, what we're going to do, I have on this romper. If you're interested in this romper, check out my last video, my Shein clothing haul. That's where I got it from. But I have this on so YouTube doesn't flag me. And yeah, we're gonna roll with it. All right, y'all. So these are my first pair. I will back up so you guys can see me. But this is the no-show boy short. It's called the Subtle Love. It's gray with black hearts all over them. I got them in a size 4XL. I paid $0. Yes, $0. They're normally $16.50. But when you're a new customer, you get 2 pair free, plus an additional 2 pair free if you join the VIP program. So I got 4 pair for $5.34 shipping. So let's see. Right now they're doing a sale. It's buy 2 get 3 free. The code is free3, I believe. They also have an afterpay option where you can buy now and pay later. This is the side of them. And these again are boy shorts, so that's why they're cut this way. They have sizes from extra small to 4XL. I got the 4XL because y'all, it's me. It's me, I'm the problem. I have to size up. I have to size up anytime I order something. I have to size up. Because I have a fear of buying things online, getting them, and they don't fit. Because I'm not the type to return something from online. I'm not going to do it, girl. So I size up. Which, I will say, go by the size chart. Go by the size chart. Do not size up. Get your exact measurements. Because what I found with these, or at least with one of the pairs, I wore them and they rolled down, like they did that rolling down thing. But basically, I had them under my jeans, and when I would walk, they would just roll down like I don't know, like they were too big. So definitely get your size. Go by their size chart because that would be more accurate. But this is how they look in the front. You can pull them all the way up. This is literally way above my belly button. This is almost under my boobs. If you are the type to tuck your fupa in your underwear, girl, they support the fupa for sure. This is the side. Again, they're boy short. They're cut almost like boxer briefs, almost. This is the back. Other side. I got boy short because this is my boyfriend's favorite cut on me. So, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of boy short. I like cheekies or high-waisted cheekies, which they also have. Both. But I tried out these boy shorts. I think they're cute. And I think they're really comfortable. And I'll just get me my cheekies next time. Let me know if you guys want to see that. But these are the first ones. Super cute. The next pair, they are also the no-show boy short. This is a Minty Cheetah. Also a 4XL. Also got it for $0 for being a new customer. Again, the VIP program. If you sign up, you get an additional 2 pairs. So that's 4 free pair. Or we can say 4 free pair with reduced shipping. Basically, the VIP program is $24.99 per month. And they send you a handful of underwear monthly to try out. They go by your wish list. So basically, you'll create a wish list of underwear that you would ideally like to receive. And they just send you those at random. So the side. As a VIP member, you get VIP only styles. So you'll get styles that nobody else can get if they're not a VIP. Oh, Pop Fit. That's what I need to talk about. Pop Fit is a sister company. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but they're the same company, basically. They're by the same owner, Gia. They're sister companies. So if you're familiar with Pop Fit, then yes, Cheek Boss. Cheek Boss is the sister. Let's see. Let's put these on. I think these are really cute. I like this pattern. And low-key, this blue is eating on my skin. So, let's do it. Just so you know, Cheek Boss also has bras. They have matching sets. They have bra pads. They have, what else do they have? Bags. They have like the storage bags, the travel bags. They have tank tops, headbands, things like that. So it's not just underwear. These are so cute. I haven't worn these yet. Look here, these are eating. I love. But yes, that's why I mentioned Pop Fit though, because these are basically made for leggings, specifically workout leggings. So they're perfect for layering. That's the back. They're really cute. I love this color on me. Yeah, y'all. This is eating. This is eating. Pajamas, y'all. Pajamas. Loungewear. I forgot to say that. They have that too. So these again are the boy shorts. These are in Tan Camo. These are one of my VIP only styles. So you can only get this style if you are a VIP member. Again, 4XL, $0. These are cute. I love the color. I love the style. I love the print. A good thing about these underwear, there's no panty lines. If you are a girly who is concerned about panty lines, they're soft, they're comfortable. There's so many different styles, so many different patterns as you've seen so far. Y'all, I love a good camo, as you can tell. They're seamless. Even the gusset inside is cotton and is bonded. There's not a stitch in sight. They're a smooth nylon, spandex, and cotton, and they're tagless. Yes, y'all. They're cute. They're super cute. Let's try them on. So I've worn these before. I've worn these a few times. Not going to lie to you. I love a camo. I just love a camo. But yeah, these are cute. I like these on my skin tone too. Side, it really covers. Like, it covers real good. So if you like coverage, these might be it for you. The back. Yeah. If you're a coverage girly, you like your underwear to cover, get these. Definitely get these. I'm a cheeky girl, but I can rock with these. These are cute. But not least, we have these. These are in the Retro Flowers. The name is Retro Flowers. It's like a lime green or like a neon yellow. It's a really cute color, in black and white. And they have flowers all over them. Same size, same price. They're really cute. Really, really cute. Y'all look so vibrant. Look at that color. That's beautiful. These are cute. What? I haven't worn these either. Oh, and then the inside. Let me show you the liner. Yeah. Bonded, y'all. It's a cotton liner and it's bonded. Let me put these on. But basically, I like this company. If I order again, I'm gonna definitely size down to a 3X. But I love the message that they're sending. I love the company's message. The body positivity, the inclusivity. They believe everybody deserves cute cheeks. Every booty, everybody deserves cute cheeks. I think that's like their tagline or something like that. But yeah, they believe in representation. They don't retouch their models' images like the videos or anything. None of them are retouched. It's all natural. The underwear conforms, smooths, and moves with you. And the subscription service is convenient because you have new panties every month, all the time. You can stop it whenever you want. And it's tea. It's tea. It's really cute. These underwear conform with your body. They smooth your body. They're shapely. They move with you. Y'all, check out Cheek Boss. I don't think you will regret it. My only pushback is go by their size chart. Don't be like me and size up. I feel like I could have definitely went with a 3XL and been cool. I looked back at the measurements and that would have been perfect for me. I say that because with the 4XL, I did have an issue with when I wore the Tan Camo ones. when I would walk, I had them underneath my jeans. When I was walking, they were rolling. They were rolling down. And you know, that's an issue with seamless things that happens. But I feel like if I didn't size up, if I would have got my correct size, it would have been perfect. So definitely use the size chart. Get your correct size. And I don't think you'll have any issues. Honestly and truly, they're the most comfortable underwear I've ever worn. I love sleeping in them, and I don't sleep in underwear. No, but they're so comfortable. Honestly and truly. Subscription plus size underwear, y'all. This is crazy. This is crazy. Check them out. Check them out. Let me know what you think. Alright, y'all. Well, thank you for watching another video. Thank you for tuning into another haul. I'm going to have more hauls coming back to back to back. Like I said last time, if you want to check out this romper that I'm wearing, check out my last video, my plus size haul featuring Shein. Yeah. Like this video, comment below what you want to see next, or which one was your favorite pair of underwear. Subscribe to my channel, join the family, and then turn on that notification bell so you never miss out when I post, because I'm going to post another haul, and if you don't turn on that notification bell, you're going to miss it. Then you're going to be left out. You're going to be kind of lame. So, I don't know. Thank y'all for tuning in. I love you guys. Bye-bye.